Here is SPLASHIN app going viral, the app that brings friends together for exciting water elimination tournaments. So number one, Alpha playing Senior Assassin, Water War Senior Tags. So join and play, sign up for a game with your friends and dive into the action. So this is the idea. That's the app, and you can just double click to install. You can see everything you need, power-ups, take your game to the next level. Easily chat with others, and then you can just go and install it. Join a game. You need to enter a game code to join. You can also register, and then you can just go and create an account. So that's how you get started.